today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, Bitcoin is in an insane danger right now. Or is it? Well, hear me out, guys. Let me talk about what I am expecting right now for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. I will be going here into the charts. You know what? Let me turn this around. I will be going into the charts and tell you exactly not only what support we are retesting here right now, but also what can we expect right now in the immediate short term. Is Bitcoin going to break down, reach our price targets, or is this just the beginning of a massive parabolic run, breaking the previous all-time high and reaching higher price targets? This is exactly what I'm gonna be talking about today. All I am asking you today, guys, please smash up the like button even more than before, because today we are going to have a look on the monthly candles. There's one signal flashing. It did not flash since years. Actually, one specific characteristic we have never seen for Bitcoin before. And I wanna tell you exactly what we can expect for that in accordance to that specific metric here. You remember how I was predicting the breakout from $99,000 to $60,000. What if I told you that this history seems to be repeating right now? Watch this video until the very end. This is very important. And of course, I am going to talk about my $10 million trades. New updates about Codename V, obviously, but also what price targets I am expecting for Bitcoin, not only in the immediate short term, but also within the next few weeks and months to come. Guys, this is a special one. Smash up the like button, make noise for the algorithm, and now let's go straight into the content. I don't want to waste any more time of you guys. So here, let's talk about the 4-hourly candles actually, which we will be starting on. Then we will have another view on them. We talk about the daily, but more importantly about the monthly candles for Bitcoin right now. There's a big showdown coming, and I want to tell you what I am expecting in regards to that. First of all, let's talk about the 4-hourly candles. And what you can see here was this W pattern unfolding for Bitcoin. Breaking out, hitting the price target, now coming down, retesting the previous resistance, which is now turning into support. If I am going over here and actually changing this into a line chart, then you can see perfectly how we are right now fighting with the support. Bitcoin is trying to actually hold this level. What I want to tell you is, even if we are breaking down, I do not expect a too crazy pullback. Actually, right now, my price targets for this breakdown, worst case, is number one on the 4-hourly candles. We can see at $60,600 to $61,000, significant support coming in. But more importantly, here on the daily, you can see we still have the upward sloping support at approximately $63,000. The downside is extremely limited right now, whereas the upside is very high. So let me talk about the upside now that I covered the downside. What is the upside for Bitcoin? And this is something, guys, I want to urge you to sit down. This is something crazy. Whenever we are going higher in the time frame, it is getting not only more relevant, it is getting more accurate when it comes to the predictability and the probability actually of this prediction playing out. The higher the time frame, the more accurate. And I'm going on the monthly, basically the highest time frame you can use for Bitcoin. You can't use the daily yet, then you get 12 candles plotted, right? So let's talk about that. Let me quickly go into it. But before, I wanted to very quickly here talk about my trade, because this is my trade over on Bybit. $71,000 in profits only. I mean, it was higher before. Going over to my Phoenix trade, you can actually see, if I'm zooming down a little bit, let me see, $7.4 million trade, and right now at $1.6 million in a profit. The question is, of course, Chris, why are you still in these trades? Why are you not closing these trades down? Well, the Bybit trade, actually, on Bybit, you can see the funding rate is right now at 0.01%, meaning that the ratio between longs and short is almost evened out. With us being at almost at the all-time high, this usually doesn't happen before. This usually didn't happen before. So this shows that either big players are shorting the market, or that many long retail traders are actually already wiped out by the market, and that we are cleared up to go towards the upside. So let's pull out a few more indications here, and let's talk about the monthly candles. And if you want more of these bigger time frame views on the market, more of these insight about what I think is going to happen also within the next few weeks and months to come, smash up the like button. The like button is there to give me a feedback. What you can see here is the monthly candles for Bitcoin, and of course our 11 years resistance, which is the orange curved line here. More importantly is the line on the downside. This is the RSI, the relative strength index. Whenever it's high, whenever it's above 90, 95, then we are overbought. Whenever it's low, below 50, 60, below 60, so to speak, we are massively oversold. So now the question is, how was Bitcoin usually behaving? Well, We don't have data in 2011, but what we have is data here in April 2013 when we hit an all-time high. The RSI was at 97. Then we have data in the end of 2013 when Bitcoin hit another all-time high and the RSI was also at 97. Then 4 years later, fast forward in 2017, December, we hit a 96.7 RSI on the monthly at an all-time high. So then let's go to the next all-time high at $65,000 when Bitcoin also broke the 90 level on the RSI. Now we hit another all-time high, but for the very first time in Bitcoin history, we are only at a laughable RSI of 73. So what does this mean? Usually you could say, well, we already hit an overbought RSI, so that means we are going into a bear market, but no. We already hit a new all-time high. And Bitcoin has so much room to grow on the monthly RSI that it's almost scary. I am literally scared for the Bitcoin bears right now, at least on the weekly and monthly time frame. Yes, I am very cautious on the 4 hourly. I think there is some downside on the hourly, on the 4 hourly. Even on the daily, we are having downside. But on the weekly and on the monthly, Bitcoin is extremely and severely bullish as my trades are longer term swing trades, position trades. That is why I'm not closing them, because on the time frame I'm trading them on, that's where they are bullish. Would I open a long trade right now on the 4 hourly candles? Definitely not. But this is the longer term trade right now. And actually, before I'm continuing and I tell you more about my price targets, my predictions for Bitcoin, let me go here, because if you want to trade as well, you will get less than a 10,000, you know what? Less than $100,000 bonus for free by just clicking more, clicking the links, making your own account here. You get these bonuses for free. Just click on more, click the links. Let me show you. Bybit, Phemex, and Binance link. If you click it, make your own account, you will get these bonuses after your initial deposit. More importantly, right now in the first line of the pinned comment, there's a new Telegram group, VLaunch.com. We revealed the name of our project. This is the most active, the fastest growing community in the world on Telegram. I mean, honestly, guys, let me go over. This is the group. We just opened it today as the last one got deleted by Telegram. It was just too crowded. Look at this. The hype is real, guys. Join it. If you are joining this link here, if you are going into the group, it is for free. If you are active there and supporting us, and if you are one of the first ones joining, you are going to be eligible for free tokens. Go down below. Join it right now. There is literally no downside if it's for free. Go down below, guys, and make sure you are joining the community to get eligible for a free IDO allocation. So right now, summarizing: hourly, careful; 4 hourly, careful; daily, very low downside, $63,000 for the daily close to happen here in my very chilled approach here with this upward sloping support, which we tested multiple times. This is the downside right now for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. On the monthly, we are severely bullish for Bitcoin. Make sure you are aware of that. And also, just quickly to tell you, on VLaunch.com, you will see this is the preliminary website where we are going to keep you updated right now. All you need is the Twitter profile, VLaunch.com, or the conversation group, VLaunch.com. Everything VLaunch.com, even over on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This was a very important one. And to not leave you hanging, actually, my price target for Bitcoin on the monthly would be, we need to close the $72,000 levels, not with a monthly. A weekly close above is enough. $73,000. Let's crush through. When we are closing a weekly above, I will go into bets. I will bet with people. I will hands down bet with them that we are going to reach higher price targets than 100,000, potentially even $200,000 for Bitcoin to come. As long as this is not happening, I am expecting chop, and I am very careful here for Bitcoin, even though on the monthly, we are very bullish. Let me know what you think about that. Go down below, smash up the like button as you have never smashed it up before. Share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.